To download Webull on a Chromebook, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Open the Google Play Store app on your Chromebook. This can be found in the launcher or by searching for it in the search bar. Once the Play Store is open, type Webull into the search bar and select the Webull app from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to review the permissions required by the app. Review these carefully and click Accept to continue. The app will now begin to download and install on your Chromebook. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Webull app. You will be prompted to log in or create an account to use the app. If you already have a Webull account, enter your login credentials to access the app. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. After logging in, you will have access to all the features and tools offered by Webull, including real-time market data, trading, and portfolio management. It is recommended to familiarize yourself with the app's interface and features to get the most out of it. It is also a good idea to check for updates regularly to ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on your Chromebook. To do this, open the Play Store, click on the menu icon, and select My Apps and Games. From here, you can check for updates and install any available updates for the Webull app. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Webull on your Chromebook and start using its features to manage your investments and stay up to date with market news.